In today's video, we're going to be going over two of TYM's most popular cabs. We'll start comparing these two by looking at the 474 model and then the 574 model. Whether you're a new property owner or a farmer looking to upgrade your equipment, a cab can improve your operating experience and even boost your productivity in difficult environments. To start us off, we have a side view of the 474. The 474 has 4 panes of the highest quality material, cut to give the operator a crystal clear view 360 degrees. This cab sits on a smaller frame than the 574's cab, making it an optimal choice for acreage owners who are looking to drive down narrow trails and still enjoy the benefits of having a cab. Both doors and the back pane are able to be opened. Inside the 474, you can see that the cab does not sacrifice ergonomics. The 474 and the 574 models both come with Kenwood stereos and customizable climate-controlled units. In the last video, where we compared the 474 and the 574, we saw that the 574 had a larger operating space. The larger frame on the 574 allowed TYM to create a larger cab with 6 panes of glass rather than the 4 seen on the 474. The curved glass allows for a more natural field of view and gives you that extra elbow room. From what you can see inside the 574 here is that the ergonomics of the tractor and the operating station works with the cab to give a synonymous feel. What you can't see or feel in this video is the noise canceling engineering of the cab, or feel the added comfort in the upgraded seat. Adding a cab to your tractor can seriously improve your effectiveness in certain situations, as well as give you some very noticeable comfort to life features. However, not every acreage needs a cab. The biggest drawback is that the windows are expensive to replace, and it is hard to talk to other people you might be working with around a job site. Additionally, we tend to advise against having a cab tractor in areas like lumber yards or anywhere where big trees or objects could potentially break your window. This is it for today's video. We've gone over the basics of what a TYM cab tractor can offer you. We saw the inside of a 474 and a 574 cab. If you're looking for more specifics or details, be sure to check out the link in the description for TYM's website. Thanks for watching.